Monday, McVeigh, and happy Wednesday. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you all had a wonderful day off yesterday. So I have some cool projects to share with you today. First is a T-Rex by Lorenzo. Look at that. Look at the detail on that T-Rex. And by the way, you might remember we had a T-Rex in our race outside. Yep. Did anybody figure out who that was? Anyhow, this T-Rex and all T-Rexes were very, very large, and therefore there were many other animals that were their prey. Well, anyhow, that is a fantastic job. Then we have a multiplication hack. So I'm not sure who sent this in, but it's a cool trick with the 9 times tables. If you see that 9 times 1 is 90, if you go down to 9 times 10, you'll see, 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. So 0, 9, 9, 0. Let's go to 9 times 2. 18. 9 times 9, 81. So you're going to see the digits in reverse with the 9 times tables. It doesn't happen with all the times tables, but it's a fun trick with the 9. So let's go to the next digit. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 8, 72. And it keeps going. And then there are some other good bit of advice over here, like, for example, be an upstander, make good choices, think about your actions. From a fellow mighty mind, it says. Then I had this project. This is by Frankie. I'm not sure if you can see this, and it kind of I was looking for it. It got underneath some piece of paper in my desk, and then it was gone. But anyhow, I found it. It says B and then KI, and then there's a little beginning of a stick figure there. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but I'll try it this way. If I go through these pages, no, you're definitely not going to see that. There's an action. Oh, there, you can see it there. There's an action going on for that stick person. So what Frankie did is he took every page of this book and he continued that person. Let me try it this way. And you can see the figure moving. And then it says, be kind. Super cool. I'm so glad I found this. Go, Frankie. That took a lot of work. And then we have some math. These are just general math problems, triple digit and double digit addition by Emily in our 2nd grade. All right. Now, moving on to the mystery number and Wordle. Okay, here we go. So I had one submission from the Schmendes. Very good thought, but that wasn't it. So here's the next clue. So yes, my first letter is an E. Now, if the Schmendes clue was answer was correct, I would have also given the clue that this letter was the same as this letter. All right, now here's the clue for today. These 3 letters are all the same. They are consonants, and they are one of, if not the most common consonant. Mystery number. Okay, here we go. So we have an odd and even. Both are both are homonyms. Both are homonyms. So both digits. So we know the tens is odd, the evens is the ones is even. They're both homonyms. Okay. And the evens can be one of 3 numbers, right? So there's 3 numbers that are homonyms. It's a homonym with 2 other words that sound just like it. All right, now it's time for Mighty Kind Multiplications. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind moment of the day is Stay Healthy and Be Kind by Claire and Patrick in our third grade. Stay healthy and be kind. And typically when you feel good, it's easier to be kind also. So when you're doing healthy things, eating healthy foods, exercising, you feel good, you feel like being kind, and that helps. All right. And of course, every day, boys and girls, is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.